Experiencing no signal on ALDI Mobile? Since ALDI uses AT&T's network, the issue often stems from antenna compatibility, frequency bands, or your location. First, understand that ALDI Mobile relies on AT&T's LTE and 5G bands, like band 1217 and N71. Use apps like Network Cell Info to check if your phone supports these bands. If your phone doesn't support these bands, that's likely the problem. Consider upgrading to a compatible device, like the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Location matters too. AT&T's coverage varies. Urban areas have strong 5G, while rural zones rely on LTE. Use AT&T's coverage checker and try moving to a higher elevation or less obstructed area for a better signal. Also, ALDI released a signal booster feature in their app. Use it. If antenna, bands, and location aren't the issue, check your SIM card. ALDI uses standard SIMs for network authentication. Remove and reinsert the SIM card, ensuring it's clean and properly placed. A faulty SIM prevents connection. Request a free replacement from ALDI if needed. Ensure your phone is unlocked for AT&T's bands. General fixes include restarting your phone, toggling airplane mode, and updating your phone's software. For advanced troubleshooting, test with another SIM or device to isolate the problem. As a last resort, contact ALDI support via their app or 1-800 number for further assistance. Remember to use ALDI's app or AT&T's tool for the most relevant solutions.